It's another casual day at the home office. Got my fleece on, got some leggings. I need another cup of coffee.
Hi, Olivia.
Hey, Danielle.
Hi, Merit family. We're here today to bring you lots of ideas for getting through these crazy times, even if it has to be filmed 2 counties apart, solo. So welcome to my house.
We're here today to talk about graduation. We know that with everything going on, your plans are changing quickly and your team is probably looking for a solution to give your seniors the best end of education experience possible.
We have a great idea. How about using Merit?
That's right. Merit can play a spotlight role during this crisis. A thoughtfully written story, personalized by Merit, can be one of the most immediate, visible, and special experiences that your seniors will get this spring.
To help, we stepped up to make Merit even more special for your students by fast-tracking a solution to help you personalize photos and videos to your stories. So what does it actually mean? You'll be able to attach a personalized video to every single Merit story, specific to each student, that students will see when they get their achievement. And it's built for easy sharing in social media. So for example, record a video of your president congratulating every student by name, and then quickly add those videos to your Merit graduation story for a special, personalized keepsake for graduation. If you're interested in learning more about how to add personalized videos or photos to your commencement achievements, shoot me an email at danielle@meritpages.com.
So we want to work with you to make sure that this experience is the best it can be for your students. We really believe that Merit is the perfect tool in a time where it's essential to generate connection, intimacy, and engagement with your off-campus students. So keep recognizing stories like senior awards and Dean's List, along with more crisis-relevant stories like recognition for online learning. And if you're looking for more ideas, reach out to us. Some of your Merit peers are working really hard to come up with great content during this time.
Lastly, we want to do everything we can to support your team during this crisis. So we're offering free use of our media monitoring and general press release distribution tools during this time. So if you're interested, please reach out to us at csm@meritpages.com and we'll turn it on for you. No questions asked. Stay safe, everyone. And this is my little co-host, McKenna. Can you say hi to everybody and wave?
Hi.
Go mwah!
Mwah.
And thanks, as always, for being kind and patient with our team. If you have any feedback on our ideas around graduation or our free tools, don't hesitate to reach out. We're all in this together.
I can hear McKenna in the background. Dan, can you hear McKenna on my audio? It's the Toddler Merit TV. Yay!
You just hit the coffee table. Do you want to be in Merit TV? Say hey to the camera.
She's singing A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3 over and over in her crib.
You can go now. I have to really do this.